chill. On the way to the pop-up shop, pull up.
Ladies and gentlemen, I found me another one, a great black man doing big things. Tell me a little bit about this patent that you have going on here.
Okay, my name is William Thomas, and I came up with I'm the CEO and the founder and inventor of Combo Wheels.
Okay.
Combo Wheels is an anti-theft wheel locking device for rims on people's cars so they won't get their wheels stolen.
Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all a little photo here, just real quick. And then where can they follow you, or can they purchase it?
They can follow me on my webpage at combowheels.com.
Okay, all right. Well, I love it. What made you come up with this idea? I know you probably got tired of getting them wheels stolen, huh?
Well, I have had my vehicle stolen from the dealership and the wheels taken off of it, but actually I came up with the idea from ladies.
Okay.
Women and female were the ones who actually made me think of the idea, because it was hard for me to sell rims and tires to ladies.
Okay,
versus
well,
guys.
great.
Women were more concerned about their wheels getting stolen or getting carjacked, or having where they live, they didn't have a garage to keep their car in if they live in an apartment complex, and they was worried about getting their rims stolen on their vehicle.
Well, I'm glad that you're out here today, and thank you for keeping the ladies safe.
Yes, ma'am.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Simply.Tennille, and I am here at the pop-up shop with Slim Thug. I have this lovely Oldsmobile 442. I picked this one to highlight with you guys just because it matches my outfit, and that's what I do. So I hope you enjoy this recap of the pop-up shop. Remember, 40 seconds. Try to keep it under 40 seconds. Now shoulder card.